My friend just asked me for 10 euros for food because he spent all his money for this month to buy a new phone. And what are you gonna do in this case when your friend comes to you like this? You take your friend, you put a piece of paper in here, and you draw a circle. In this circle, you're going to divide it at half and explain to your friend that 50% of the monthly income goes into living expenses. Then there is another 20% that your friend can spend on whatever he wants, like to buy a new phone. So that goes here. And then 30% you have on your savings. So like this, you never run out of your money. When we are talking about creation of savings, we are not talking only about the cash you have in your wallet. However, you need to create your bank saving accounts, your kids study saving accounts if you already have a family, your term bank account and retirement account, so you're also saving for the future. Emergency fund of your 6 to 8 months of living expenses is definitely as well something you should keep on side, and you should make that accessible. And in a case of emergency, you can use these funds. However, make sure it's really an emergency. So it's not only about the cash itself, however, also keep the saving accounts going on.